Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the name color in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Telegram app, and here it usually opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, tap on settings, and in the settings section we have to tap on chat settings. Here at the top we find change name color. If you tap on this, then we can select from these colors or these color combinations. As you can see, these are the different kinds of variations, and we can change our profile color as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.